everyone, we are Group 7. I'm Kelly.
I'm Jasmine.
I'm Jason.
I'm Noah.
I'm Yoman.
Okay, I will start my part now is the challenges of preventing the retirement saving. Firstly is the low wages. Low wages make it challenging to aside money for the future when meeting current expenses is already a struggle. This is especially true for those who are low income or minimum wages job. Without sufficient income, it's become very difficult to contribute to retirement account. Next is increasing government expenditure. When government increase spending and raise tax to fund those expenditure, it leaves less disposable income for the household. This makes it more difficult for people to contribute a retirement saving account as a large portion of their earning goes towards paying tax. Third one is rising healthcare inflation. Healthcare costs are increasing rapidly for now, driven by factors such as the rising cost of the medical service, equipment, and medication. This inflation can lead to a significant portion of people's income are also leave less money available to dedicate the retirement saving. The next is in dedicate retirement saving. Many people struggle to save money enough for the retirement, either due to the challenge that I mentioned above or a lack of financial education and planning. Last but not least, lack of access to retirement planning tools are also one of the factors. Some people may not have access to employer-sponsored retirement plan or financial advisor who can provide guidance on retirement planning. This lack of access to retirement planning resources can make it harder for people to save effectively for the future. Thank you, that's for my part. Pass to the next speaker.
Yeah, so I am Yoman, so I'm talking about the resource methods. So the quantitative research is conducted in these reports, and the online surveys currently is the most popular survey methods because of the time saving and convenience as much as it's easily developed. So other than that, the online surveys provide the real-time results when the responder finish the surveys. So the data collection for the online surveys is around 2 to 3 minutes, which the responder can complete the questionnaires anytime and anywhere, but still need the internet access. So in these Google Forms, we have 2 sessions. So first one is demographic sessions. Total is 5 questions, and second session is about the awareness towards the retirement planning, and also the 5 questions. It's total 10 questions. So our audience is total 19 respondents, and this is carried on the Google survey forms. So I will pass to Jason.
I will be present about the result and interpretations of result from our recent survey on retirement planning. First is age. Our survey primarily reflects the perspective of younger people, with the majority of respondents begins young adult age 18 to 24. The results of age groups is 18 to 24 is 61.1%, 25 to 54 is 26.7%, 55 to 64 is 11.1%, and over 65 is 1.1% only. Second is gender. We achieve a nearly equal gender distributions among our respondents, which is female 52.2% and male 47.8%. Thus is ethnicity. Ethnic compositions of our respondents is mostly Chinese, which Chinese 86.7%, and Malay just 10%, and Indians 3%. Next is employee status. Employment status is a crucial factor in retirement planning. Our survey results show unemployed is 57.8%, and working is 37.8%, and student is 4.4%. Next is the income level. Income level significant effects on individual abilities to save for retirements, the income distributions of our responder is earn less than 7%, 7,000 is 81.1%, and earn between 7,000 to 11,000 is 15.6%, and earn more than 11,000 is the 3.3%. And I will pass to you.
So based on the result, we know that most people are aware of the importance of retirement planning, which 93.3% of respondents agree with. However, only 37.8% of respondents claim that they had planned for their retirement. And according to the responses, we found that the biggest reason for this result is that they don't have enough money. 41.1% of respondents claim that they don't have any savings for their retirement, and 20% have below 500 ringgit per month. 47.2% of respondents claim that the challenges that prevent them from saving for their retirement planning is due to low wages. Besides the increase of government expenditure is also a major challenge, which is evidenced by 19.1%, followed by 15.7% who think that rising healthcare inflation is a challenge. 11.2% face a problem of inadequate retirement saving, and 6.7% lack of access to retirement planning tools. And lastly, most people think that the starting age for their retirement planning is 25 to 44 years old, which is evidenced by 45.6%, followed by 35.6% of respondents who think that the appropriate age to plan their retirement is 45 to 59 years old. So a compliment for our survey response, a simple research on increased government spending and rising healthcare inflation is conducted. According to Age Malaysia 2023, the government collect 154.07 billion in income tax and 174.69 billion in 2024. And you can also see that in Malaysia, medical inflation was reported to be 15% in 2023 to 2024. Next, I'll pass the next slide to Jasmine.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jasmine. Today, I'll continue with the key recommendations to improve the retirement planning service based on our recent survey results. First, the company can create a specialized financial education program for different age group and income levels. Study results shows that the majority of the respondents, they are aware about the importance of retirement planning, but only a small percentage have actual plans. Early financial education may benefit the younger individuals. This program should address the unique challenges faced by lower income groups, such as managing finance with limited income, effective saving strategy, understand inflation and government policies. Interactive workshops, online courses, and tools like budgeting tools can empower the individual to control their financial futures. Next, the company can offer the customized retirement planning tools and service to cater to different demographics. As low wages and insufficient saving are significant barriers to retirement planning. These tools include budgeting tools, saving calculators, and investment planning resources. By offering the personalized consulting, the company can address specific concerns and enhance engagement in retirement planning. The recommended implementations include the user-friendly apps and online platforms with personalized consulting service delivered through one-to-one consultations. This makes the retirement planning more accessible and practical. Further, the company can establish the partnership with the employers and government bodies to promote and facilitate retirement planning among the employees and the public. The high employment rate and low wages highlight the need for systematic support in retirement planning. The company can also implement the workplace retirement planning programs, including the seminars, workshops, and advisory sessions. The government bodies can advocate for policies supporting retirement planning, such as the tax incentive for retirement saving and better access to financial planning resources.
Addressing the economic challenges like healthcare inflation will further support the retirement planning efforts. In conclusion, implementing these recommendations can significantly enhance the UBC's ability to support the individuals in their retirement planning journey. These initiatives will ultimately lead to better financial security and stability for the clients. That's all for our presentations. Thank you.
Generally, all the because the questions are similar, so I would say identical, right? So whatever I feedback to the previous two groups are applicable. But this group, at least you got 90 responses. So okay. But I noticed you have quite a lot of people answer and say unemployed. And there's another category students. So I'm wondering how come so many unemployed in this result. And instead of they are students,
our patient just unemployed and employee only.
Oh.
And the student is just like
With
answers.
fill in the blanks.
Fill in the
I
blanks.
see. So maybe most of them are students.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought there's another category students.
I see.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.